How to install the Dome Lens for SeaTouch 4 Max and precaution of use. The Dome Lens is a unique accessory for the SeaTouch 4 Max housing to take split water photos and videos. Push the holder to one side and press on both edges to loosen the shoulder part. Please notice the sticker on the back of the dome, and it shows the direction towards the opening of the housing. When you zoom into a different field of view, the phone lens will automatically switch. Choose the right phone lens you are going to use. Attach one side of the holder onto the edge of the housing's glass frame. Align the center of the dome with the center of the phone lens. Hold the dome and put the shoulder part back to the meanwhile attaching on the other side of the glass frame. You might need to force a little bit to ensure the shoulder part of the holder right back to the hook. If you find the dome center not aligned with the center of the phone lens, please reinstall and do not slide the dome in case the seal ring is flipped and affect the waterproofness. To remove the dome, you need to just press on one side of the hook and the holder will fall apart. When you finish using it, please put the protective cover back to the dome. If you encounter an overexposure issue on the iPhone ultra-wide lens in photo mode, we suggest to use a third-party app to avoid the issue, such as the Lightroom photography app. It's an app that allows you to switch lenses and won't have the overexposure issue. You can use either auto mode or manual mode. When you finish shooting photos, you are free to edit the photos in the app or export them directly to your photo album. Hope you enjoy using the Dome Lens.